Hello, fellow data hoarders. Welcome to another deep dive into the fascinating world of technology. Tonight, we delve into the thrilling world of computer storage, a realm where the past and future collide in a battle for supremacy. Specifically, the age-old battle between hard disk drives or HDDs and solid-state drives or SSDs. These two titans of data storage have been vying for dominance in our computers for years. HDDs, those relics of the digital Stone Age, are like record players for your data. They use spinning platters and tiny needles to read and write information, a process that feels almost nostalgic in our fast-paced digital age. Spinning platters, tiny needles reading information, it's practically steampunk. The mechanical nature of HDDs makes them fascinating but also prone to wear and tear over time. SSDs, on the other hand, are the flashy newcomers. They burst onto the scene with promises of speed and reliability, quickly becoming the preferred choice for many. They're like USB sticks on steroids, storing data on interconnected flash memory chips. This design allows for faster data access and transfer speeds, making them ideal for modern computing needs. No moving parts, just pure electronic wizardry. This lack of moving parts not only makes SSDs faster but also more durable and less susceptible to physical damage. HDDs have been around since the dawn of time, or at least the 1950s. They were the backbone of early computing, providing the necessary storage for burgeoning digital data, while SSDs started appearing in the late 2000s. Despite their relatively recent introduction, SSDs have rapidly evolved, offering increasingly larger capacities and faster speeds, revolutionizing the way we store and access data. So whether you're a fan of the tried-and-true HDDs or the cutting-edge SSDs, there's no denying that both have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. As technology continues to advance, who knows what the future holds for data storage? One thing's for sure, it's an exciting time to be a part of this ever-evolving field. Stay tuned for more explorations into the world of technology. Until next time, keep your data safe and your curiosity alive. Let's talk speed. You know how long it takes to open a file on your computer? With an SSD, it's basically instantaneous. With an HDD, you have time to brew a cup of tea. That's because SSDs access data much faster thanks to their lack of moving parts. We're talking boot times measured in seconds versus minutes and file transfers that make you believe in magic. But here's the catch. SSDs are like that fancy coffee shop down the street. You know, the one with the artisanal lattes and the barista who knows your name. It's all about the experience, the speed, and the efficiency. Fast, efficient, and you'll pay a premium for the privilege. Just like that coffee shop, SSDs offer top-notch performance, quick boot times, and rapid data access. But just like your wallet feels lighter after a visit to that cafe, your budget will feel the pinch when you opt for SSDs. HDDs are like the gas station coffee you grab on the way to work. It gets the job done, and it's easy on the wallet. Sure, it might not have the same flair or speed, but it's reliable and cost-effective. It's the practical choice for those who need storage without breaking the bank. For the same amount of storage, you can buy a whole fleet of HDDs for the price of a single SSD. Imagine having multiple drives to store all your data, backups, and more, without worrying about the cost. It's a trade-off between speed and capacity, and for many, the price is right with HDDs. Section 4, built like tanks, unless they're not. Now you might think, HDDs have moving parts, they must be fragile. And you'd be right, drop an HDD and you might as well kiss your data goodbye. SSDs, with their lack of moving parts, are much more durable. They can withstand a bit more jostling, which is great if you're prone to, shall we say, accidentally dropping your laptop. Section 5, the curious case of the missing moving parts, and why it matters. But wait, there's more. That lack of moving parts also means SSDs are silent. No more whirring or clicking sounds from your computer like it's haunted by a dial-up modem. Plus, they use less power, which is good for your electricity bill and the environment. Section 6. So, should you ditch your hard drive in 2024? So, the verdict? Let's dive deeper into the pros and cons of each option. If you value speed above all else and have money to burn, SSDs are the way to go. They offer lightning-fast boot times, quicker file transfers, and overall snappier performance. For gamers, video editors, and professionals who need that extra edge, SSDs can make a world of difference. But if you need a lot of storage on a budget, HDDs are still relevant in 2024. They provide massive storage capacities at a fraction of the cost of SSDs. For those who need to store large amounts of data, like photographers, videographers, or anyone with extensive media libraries, HDDs are a cost-effective solution. They're like the reliable old car you keep around for hauling stuff. Sure, they might not be the fastest, but they are dependable and get the job done without breaking the bank. Not flashy, but they get the job done. For everyday tasks like browsing the web, working on documents, or streaming videos, HDDs are more than sufficient. Just try not to drop them. Unlike SSDs, which have no moving parts, HDDs are more susceptible to physical damage. Handle them with care to ensure they last.